Hey everyone, what's going on? Gonna do another video because the whole fog light thing, I found out a little issue. Let me show you here. This bar is supposed to be straight on a 90. Looks like the amount of downforce that the splitter's making just keeps bending it back. So my solution, instead of using these little screws, I'm going to use new screws, get some more square tubing, and run it this way and sandwich it above this and below this. Downforce, bro. Now, we got a nice new beefier bar in the back. Hold more weight. Might have to tighten these up a little bit. Have to measure, make sure it's zeroed all the way around once I get on a flat surface. But that's it. It's all buttoned up, all back together.